Walk with us to the downtown of Buenos Aires. Now we're getting ready and saying goodbye for a couple of hours to our cat Yoshi. So currently we're living in Buenos Aires and today we need to get to the downtown to exchange some money. This is our yard. We have several houses here on a closed territory and a swimming pool. We totally love this place. We are renting it for several days. It's Airbnb, and first of all, we were totally excited about this place because it had a swimming pool and we were missing swimming so much. But when we arrived here, it was so much more than just swimming. We are in love with greenery here. With all the trees, plants, everything is blooming because it's the end of the spring right now. And the weather is beautiful. Now we're gonna be walking from our apartment to the nearest station. We will be traveling by subway today, and we're gonna be walking through the districts of Nuñez, Belgrano, and Colegiales, and the center which goes by the name Telmo and Microcentro. Visiting Plaza de Mayo, which is known for its White House, here Pink House. It's so nice every time to walk through this Plaza Alberti Park. It's pretty small, but gorgeous nature here. Trees are blooming, plants everywhere. It smells so nice here. We love to bring Yoshi here and play some card games while he enjoys his freedom and climbs the trees. It's always so good here on a sunny day to enjoy the nature. We are walking for around 15 minutes through the streets of Belgrano to the subway line D, to the first station of the line, Congreso de Tucumán, and we will need to ride the whole line. It is about 15 stations, and the last one will be the business center of the city, station called Cathedral. Now we're going through the part of the district of Belgrano and Cabildo Avenue, next to which we've been living for the past year. And we thought that it was a wonderful place to live in, joyful with plenty of cafes and nice parks, and it was not too busy. It seemed pretty safe for us, so we had a pleasant time here. But then we moved a bit further away from the city center and we understood that there are much more quiet and peaceful neighborhoods in Buenos Aires. But for tourism, it is perfect. It's not too loud, still close to everything in the city. We like the subway here, it's pretty convenient, and the stations are very close to each other. In comparison with other big cities, here it is like 10 or 15 minutes a walk between them. Some lines are old here, some new, and also some are slower than the others, but all in all it is very convenient on day-to-day basis. The price for one ride here is about $1 now. I guess it's about 900 pesos. In comparison, when we came here a year ago, it was like 10 times cheaper than now. The prices went above the ceiling during the last couple months here. We finally arrived at our destination, Station Cathedral. We are in the business center of the city, walking out of the subway to the sunny streets of San Telmo. The weather is wonderful today, so this place is likely to be crowded. We are walking towards Plaza de Mayo, where the Pink House is located. Look at this, totally a place to admire the architecture of Buenos Aires. A lot of gorgeous buildings and these blooming trees, such a joy to visit this part of the city sometimes. I love that view with plants hanging on the walls. So here we are. On the left side you can see the cathedral by which the metro station is called. And in front of us there is this beautiful square called Plaza de Mayo, at the end of which we have Pink House. We love the palms here and the trees surrounding the square. It is such a nice place to have some rest in the busy downtown. You can also visit museums here. There are a couple just across the street. And the pink house is open for you. Just don't forget to sign up front. So we're going to the exchange office right now. And we wish you to have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel videos.